Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this half cut crease green eye tutorial. If you guys do want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so brows are on, eyes are primed. I used the NYX micro brow pencil in black. I really like this. I do want to try out, I think I'm going to try it out the next time I'm there. At the Morphe store, I want to try their pomade. I've never tried it. Well, yes I have. That's a lie. I have tried a pomade. I was going to say I haven't tried a pomade. But I have tried the NYX Tame and Frame pomade. But this dries out really easily. And I don't like that. I was at the Morphe store a couple of days ago. The woman that was helping me out with everything was telling me about their pomades and how they don't dry out as quickly as most pomades do. So I think I'm going to try that out the next time. I want to try a pomade. I'm going to try a new foundation today, so you guys will see that a little bit later. But let's get on to the eyes. I got inspiration from my friend Tasha. What's up, boo? So I'm gonna be doing a green eye look today. Yeah. So my 35B palette today is going to be put to use. We're gonna play in some greens, and yeah. So let's get this started. I'm going to go in with my MAC 224 brush. And I'm going to go in with this green. It's like a bluish green shade. I'm going to take that and go into the crease. Now I'm trying out not setting my crease. I'm going to take a more tapered brush. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. I'm going to take, this is the M506 brush. I'm going to take the dark green in the Morphe palette, that dark green right here, that. And I'm going to place that in the crease. Okay, so next, I think I'm going to do cut crease kind of look. We love a good cut crease. Guys, look at these. These are both empty. Crazy. Crazy. I freaking love these things. I have my new one. They're so good. So now that we got that cut, I'm going to go in with a packer brush. I'm going to go in with this light green shade at the bottom. I'm going to just pack that on the lid. Yes. Ooh, that's a cut crease. Alright, we're going to go do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. So today I'm going to be using a new foundation. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation and trying that out today. I got a sample of it because I don't know how I'm going to like it, kind of thing. And shout out to Jennifer at Sephora. You are freaking awesome. Yeah, you were the best. And I'm gonna be seeing you soon because I'm coming back. So, we're going to take this and just... Okay, there is a scent to it. Okay, so this shade looks so yellow on me. Here we go again. We have another yellow shade. The guy even used the dang, that like gun thing. Oh my god, it's so bad. Whatever. Oh my god, this is so yellow and so bad. This isn't my shade. You can clock me in the comments, I don't care. And this is the Huda Beauty foundation in Henna, I think it's called. I think that's the shade I'm in, or it said I'm that shade. Clearly we can see I'm not. Clearly, once again, I have been color matched wrong. Because this shit is yellow as fuck. Oh my god, I look so bad. Bronzer and highlight is going to have to fix this because it looks horrible. It looks so horrible. Oh, well, if we want first impressions, it looks patchy. It's just too yellow. Too yellow. Okay, Sephora. Well, now I know, thank God for just a sample, and I didn't buy the big one. The actual foundation mix a sample, so we'll go like down next time I go back in. This is very fragranty. Is that even a word? Fragranty? It's definitely matte. Like that. I do like that. Yeah. Just don't like the shade colors. I look green. It looks so bad. And you can even tell, like, if you look at my, like, you can see the pink in my skin. Like, I'm just gonna have to make it work this time. Just make it work. So, well, this little sample is not gonna be used again. Let's set my face a little bit. I'm going to be using the Smashbox powder to set my skin. What I gotta do, just remembered I have to do concealer. So let's conceal real fast. So concealer I use is the it is the Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm pulling this out a little bit. Beauty blender. Now we're gonna set the face. Now I can set my face. Set the perimeter of it. So I'm going to go back in with that green shade, the dark green, and I'm going to run that on my lower lash line.
See that booty drop.
I'm going to go in with eyeliner. I'm going to go in with my 24/7 Glide On eyeliner pencil from Urban Decay. Okay, so I'm going to go in with mascara, and the mascara I'm using is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. You can't even see that because it's a fixed lens. Lash Paradise mascara, and then the lashes I'm using is my D307 lashes. I think these will be perfect for this eye look. So I'm going to go in with that, and I will be right back. So I'm going to be using a new product today. I recently bought it. I went to the Morphe store. Finally got my hands on the continuous mist setting spray. So I'm just going to just set this cake really fast. I freaking love this stuff. I freaking love it. I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna go buy more now. Alright, so now that we have that on, I'm going to do highlighter, and the highlighter I'm going to be using is the Gerard Cosmetics highlighter in shade Marilyn, using the Morphe M501 brush. Going to take a pencil brush, just take it down the nose. So I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to go in. I want to do a little bit of a more beaming highlight, so I'm going to go in with some Anastasia now. Crazy, I'm going to use my Smashbox fan brush. This is the 22 brush. Okay, I'm going to go in and set the face again. Just feels like air when I'm doing that. It feels so nice. Okay, now onto lips. And for lips, I don't know what I want to use. So for lips today, I'm going to be using Gerard Cosmetics Iced Mocha. I've fallen in love with this shade. Oh my god. Ooh, hello, Iced Mocha, I've missed you. So good. These feel so comfortable too, like, oh, I'm falling back in love with these. I haven't worn these Hydra Mats in a long time, I will say that, but I've fallen back in love. I love it. So I've re-fallen back in love with my Hydra Mats, and you're gonna see me wearing more of them, so stay tuned for that. If you guys do want to purchase a Hydra Matte liquid lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics, you always can. And you can always get a coupon code from me. It's just tobinmua. So just check the description bar below. It's always there. Always, always there. All my coupon codes are below. So, I've fallen in love. I've fallen back in love with Ice Mocha. Hello, I've missed you. So now that we have the final lip on, I'm going to do one more spray of my continuous setting spray. And we are finished. So that is it. That is the final look of this green half cut crease tutorial. I hope you guys do like it. I love the outcome of it. You guys know me and like colored looks. If you go on my channel, that's what you're gonna find. If you stumbled upon this video, head over to my channel, check out other colorful looks I have on there. And if you are just watching this video, be sure to click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up before you go, so I do know you guys did enjoy this video. And leave me a comment below of what color look you want me to do next, and I will definitely get on that. And I think that is it, so I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.